Many companies are already rehiring developers they tried to replace with AI. Features shipped faster, but then started breaking in ways entire teams couldn't fix. And the real problem isn't in the AI itself. It's that these companies didn't understand something fundamental about what developers actually do. Recently, players like Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic have been pushing their AI coding tools. The promise was simple. With AI, you will build faster, ship cheaper, and do it with fewer developers. Some executives even claimed that entire departments could be replaced with just one person. And for a moment, it actually looked like they were right. In their demos, developers could generate entire applications in minutes. A simple prompt, one click, and you are ready to deploy. People who have never coded in their life were now launching tech startups and achieving million-dollar valuations, something straight from a sci-fi movie. But then, those apps started breaking. Features failed, bugs piled up, and when something went wrong, no one knew how to fix it. Some projects became so hard to maintain, they had to be abandoned completely. And it wasn't just that AI made mistakes. In reality, it exposed a much deeper problem. At first, AI makes developers feel insanely productive. You're no longer writing code. You're just describing what you want, and it appears in front of you. Entire features go from idea to implementation in minutes, and things that used to take days can now be completed in an hour. But speed isn't the same as correctness, and that's where the hidden problems start to pile up quickly. This is the part most demos don't show. Within thousands of lines of generated code, AI introduces subtle bugs, inconsistent logic, and security risks. And when something inevitably breaks, even the most experienced developers struggle to trace why. Because the person debugging didn't actually write the code, which leads to an even bigger issue companies didn't anticipate. What happens when developers rely on AI too much? The skills that made them qualified for the job in the first place start to erode. The understanding of the underlying systems becomes shallow. The ability to think through potential problems and plan ahead is lost. Because what's the point of keeping so many things in your head when AI already knows what to do? As a result, whole teams start forgetting how to solve problems from first principles. So when AI fails, there is no safety net. And that's where things start getting expensive. Right at this point, the idea of replacing developers with AI falls apart in practice. Companies who tried to cut the expenses and speed up the development process this way are instead faced with increased maintenance costs, slower debugging cycles, and constant rewrites instead of real fixes. Seasoned engineers are now reporting being 19% slower when using AI tools. They spend up to 10 hours a week just correcting hallucinations. After facing the reality, many of them are quietly rehiring engineers to clean up AI-generated messes. So instead of replacing developers, they doubled the work. But the main problem isn't even in the high costs. It is much more fundamental. AI can't replace developers. It won't, and that was never the original point of this technology. Instead, it is exposing what really matters, what it actually means to be a developer. Writing a lot of code was never the hard part. The most valuable engineers aren't the fastest coders. They're the ones who can think, debug, and actually understand complex systems. These are the exact skills AI still struggles with. Many companies underestimated the true role of developers. They loved the illusion that software development is an easy, automated task. Now they are paying the price. The companies that are actually seeing improvements today are the ones who stopped trying to prompt their way to success and started reinvesting in human architects. AI won't disappear. It is still a very powerful tool, but no tool was ever meant to replace the people who use it. The real shift isn't AI replacing developers, it is respecting the expertise of existing ones and providing them with new opportunities. Because AI is only as good as the developer behind it, and executives who are trying to claim the opposite to suppress the wages of their workers are investing in the failure of their system in the near future. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and leave your thoughts in the comments below.